Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email on Discord step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for discord.com. Now when you are here on Discord, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner, then provide your account credentials associated with Discord and simply sign in into your account. Now, since you have created a new account and you haven't verified your email address, on the top of this particular section, you are going to see this type of message that would say, please check your email address in order to verify your account and keep your current username. So over here, once you see this particular message, you need to simply launch that particular email of yours, which is associated with your Discord account. And inside it, you need to look for the option of verify email or any email from Discord that can look something like this. So over here, click on the option of verify email. Then on the next page, you need to again click on the option of verify. And once your email is verified, you will be redirected inside your Discord dashboard, which is going to basically look something like this, where this time you are not going to see that particular pop-up. It simply means that you have successfully verified your Discord email address. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.